Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be learning English vocabulary words with meanings and pictures. Ponder, ponder. He pondered the question before he answered. She sat by the window pondering the meaning of life. Cordial, cordial. The host extended a cordial welcome to all the guests. I had a cordial conversation with my neighbor. Pragmatic, pragmatic. She took a pragmatic approach to solve the problem. He is a pragmatic, not a dreamer. Inquisitive, inquisitive. The inquisitive child asks a lot of questions. I have an inquisitive mind. Prolific, prolific. The factory produces goods at a prolific rate. She is a prolific writer of novels and short stories. Industrious, industrious. The industrious student always completes assignment on time. She is an industrious and willing worker. Enigmatic, enigmatic. The enigmatic puzzle left us in curiosity. I get confused in enigmatic situations. Artificial, artificial. She made a hairband with artificial flowers. Artificial things have no comparison with natural things.